Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. Today we are making eggless whole wheat butterscotch cake with brown sugar. This cake turns out to be soft, moist and tastes best when topped with butterscotch sauce along with crunchy butterscotch crumbs or praline. So let's quickly see how to prepare it. To begin with, we'll take 3/4 cup or 180 ml of milk. Into this, we'll add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Instead of vinegar, you can even use lemon juice. Just mix it well and keep it aside for 5 minutes. To prepare batter for the cake, we'll sieve all the dry ingredients. For this, we'll take 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. To this, we'll add 3/4 cup of powdered brown sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and sieve all the ingredients well. Into our dry ingredients, we'll add half a cup of oil along with milk and vinegar mixture. Mix everything well to prepare batter. Once the batter is ready, then we'll add 1 teaspoon of butterscotch essence into it along with yellow food color. And mix it again. So here is our batter ready. We'll transfer this batter in a baking dish which we have already lined it with parchment paper. Level it up with the help of a spatula and then tap it for few times. We will be baking the cake in a pressure cooker, so I have already heated the pressure cooker with salt and I have kept a stand at the base. Now we'll bake the cake on low-medium flame for at least 25 to 30 minutes. If you are baking this cake in an oven, then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 30 to 35 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and let's check out our cake with the help of a knife. And it's absolutely clean. That means the cake has baked perfectly well. Now we'll allow it to cool down completely. Next, we'll prepare butterscotch crumbs or praline. For this, in a pan, we'll take half a cup of brown sugar. We need to crystallize sugar. So keep the flame on low-medium side and just add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water in it. Keep on stirring it and wait till the sugar dissolves completely. Once the sugar dissolves, then we'll add 1/4 cup of crushed nuts. Here I've used almonds, cashew nuts. Just mix it well with melted sugar and switch off the flame. Transfer this mixture on a butter paper and then spread it with the help of a spatula. Once done, we'll keep it aside for few minutes until it sets down completely. After few minutes, you will see that it will set nicely. Just break it into small pieces. And further, we can crush it with the help of a rolling pin. And it's ready. You can store it in an airtight container. Further, let's prepare butterscotch sauce or caramel sauce. For this, we'll take half a cup of 100% organic brown sugar in a pan. We need to crystallize sugar, so keep on stirring it. Brown sugar takes little more time to crystallize than normal refined sugar, so you can use any sugar, white sugar or brown sugar as per your choice. Once the sugar crystallizes, it will turn into a nice caramel. Switch off the flame at this point of time and add 20 grams of butter in it. Also add a pinch of salt if you're using unsalted butter. You will see that the mixture will froth up. Don't worry, just keep on stirring it continuously. To this, we'll add a mixture of cream and milk. We have used 100 ml of cream along with 50 ml of milk. Turn on the flame at this point of time and add the cream and milk mixture little at a time. Keep on stirring it continuously till you get a smooth caramel sauce. And here is our butterscotch or caramel sauce ready. We'll cool down the sauce at least for 2 to 3 hours till the sauce thickens up. Let's assemble the cake together. The cake has baked perfectly well. We'll remove this layer and just see it's very soft, spongy. After that, we'll just spread liberal amount of our prepared butterscotch caramel sauce. You can decorate your cake in any which way. I'm just spreading it in this manner. Then decorate it with butterscotch praline or butterscotch crumbs. This will give that nice crunchy flavor to our butterscotch cake. And here it goes. And our healthy butterscotch cake is ready. You need to keep this cake in refrigerator at least for 1 to 2 hours and then we can serve it. I can't wait that long, so I'm just cutting it right away. It's super soft. Have a closer look at it. Moist cake from inside with caramel sauce and with these crunchy butterscotch crumbs. You will really enjoy having this butterscotch cake. So do try it out. I hope you enjoyed watching our today's video. Please do try making this cake and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai. Hit the like button, share our videos with your friends and family. We'll be coming up with more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.